Hey guys, it's Angel. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day we are going to be unboxing the iPhone XS Max. It is a beautiful phone, everybody's talking about it, and I am so excited to upgrade from my iPhone X to my XS Max. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside the box, keep watching. All right guys, so I got the phone box right here, and let's get unboxing. So inside, we've got the Designed by Apple in California. I'm gonna lift that up. It's like the user's manual, the brochure. We've also got the Apple stickers, the beautiful Apple stickers, which I never use them, but I guess they're kind of cool. SIM card ejector tool, very handy. And we've got the beautiful iPhone. Wow, it's actually really big. So let's pull the plastic off. Ah, it's stuck. Okay, it just stuck on my head. Okay, wow, that is beautiful. So I got my iPhone in the gold color. It comes in silver, space gray, and the gold. And of course, I'm gonna get the gold. It looks a little bit kind of like a rose gold pinkish more. And even though I think it's kind of on the pinker side versus the gold side, I definitely think anybody can use this color. So guys, if you like gold, this is also a good option. And I got the 64 gigabyte that retails for $10.99. So let's see what else is inside the box. Headphones. Honestly, I never use these. This year, they don't include that headphone adapter. So these are pretty much useless and I use my AirPods anyways. Also have the charging cord and the USB adapter square, which you can never have too many of these, right? Okay, so just so you can see the difference between an iPhone XS Max and an iPhone X, I'm gonna show you my iPhone X in the silver. And as you can see, it's actually quite a bit bigger. And while we wait for that to boot up, let me just tell you some of the specs about this phone. The screen size is 6.5 inches diagonal. So it's an all diagonal screen. It's super big. It's actually the largest ever display on an iPhone. So it's really, really big. It has a Super Retina OLED display, which means it has really accurate colors and the blacks are really dark and black. This phone also has the new stainless steel finish in gold. And they say it's like a surgical stainless steel, but either way, it's really, really pretty in person, and it matches my new Apple Watch in gold, which I will be doing an unboxing and review in a later video. And of course, it also has the glass back, which is wireless charging compatible. And this phone in particular is supposed to charge much faster, wireless charging, than the iPhone X, so there is a little bit of an upgrade there. And also in this year's phone upgrade, there's the A12 Bionic chip. And of course, this comes shipped with the latest iOS version 12. Now, one of the things I am super excited about and why I did not get the S versus the Max is I really wanted the bigger screen. So I have the iPhone X right now, and it's great to hold. It's a great phone. I like it so far, but I really feel like after a while, I was kind of squinting on my phone and I really could have used a bigger screen. So I did want to get the Max so I could have the bigger screen and display. Another thing that I was really interested in is the upgraded cameras. So on the back, you'll see there's dual 12 megapixel rear cameras. There's the wide angle and the telephoto camera. The phone also has better camera taking abilities, so you'll get better bokeh. To be honest, I really was disappointed in the iPhone X bokeh in the portrait mode. I think it worked out really good at first, but after a while, after a few months, I felt like portrait mode was really hard to get. I either had to move the phone closer or further from the subject, and it really wasn't doing a good job capturing the photo that I wanted. So I'm looking forward to testing out the new camera and how the bokeh works. In addition, there is depth control, and that's really cool because with depth control, you can now change the depth of your photo after your shot. I really feel like the XS Max is just gonna be so much easier on the eyes. So if you guys have problems with seeing your phone, you feel like you're squinting all the time, definitely I would recommend getting a bigger screen. Okay, I'm just setting up Face ID right now. Okay, done. Okay guys, so the phone is set up and it's actually pretty cool. I like how there's this new picture here. It's live wallpaper. Also, when I set up the phone, I actually set it so the icons are super big so my eyes don't get strained. And so far, based on the screen size alone, going from the 10 to the XS Max, I really like the big screen size. My eyes just feel so much easier. It's just so much easier on the eyes, and it is pretty fast, I would say. And if you're wondering how big this is in comparison to other items, it's about 2 lipstick sizes, but basically 6.5 inches diagonal across the screen. Weight-wise, it is definitely heavier than my iPhone 10. It's just over 7 ounces, but I really feel like it's not that big of a difference. But I'm actually so in love with this color because I like everything rose gold and anything that's pink. It's so pretty with the glass back like this. Trying out the selfie mode. I've got it on portrait mode. Natural light, studio light, contour light. I didn't really like that. Stage light mono. So it's definitely going to be really good for outdoor shots where you have way more depth. But I can already tell this is going to be amazing for selfie shots and also for travel photos as well. So that brings me to battery life. The specs say that this phone is supposed to be about 1.5 hours longer than the iPhone 10, but I'll let you guys know in a video review in a couple weeks once I've had a chance to use the phone. Anyway, so that's my quick unboxing video of the iPhone XS Max. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested, like I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing an up-close, in-depth review of the iPhone XS Max after I've had a couple weeks to just kind of play with the phone and get some real-world experience with it. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions for me about this phone, post in the comments below and let me know. Until then, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!